Okay, it's me again, Technology Freak, and in this video I'm going to talk about the adjustable angle scented USB electric air conditioning mini fan air cooler, and it's green. Wow, that's a long name. Basically like a mini air conditioning unit that's USB powered. Might come in handy in summer when it gets really hot. Or I guess if you happen to live in a place where it's hot year round, it might come in handy there too. It's also powered by, three 1.5 volt batteries, not included. According to that right there. Says to add 5 millimeters of water or ice to the box, then you feel the cool. So yeah, this thing might come in handy during summer. I'm on Amazon.com right now. Seems to have a pretty good discount right now. The normal price is about $30, and it looks like it's over $20 off. It's $9.37 now. It's free shipping on Amazon. So yeah, this might come in handy in summer. Well, that's it for this video. Bye.